Now, second type of hydrocarbon, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms link together by double covalent bond or triple covalent bond. Those hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms are linked by double covalent bond, they are called alkenes, and those hydrocarbons in which two carbon atoms link together by triple covalent bond, they are called alkynes. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms. When we put n is equals to 1, means it contains one carbon atom, we have the formula C1 2 into 1, that is CH2. But there is no any compound that is CH2. So it is not included in alkene. It means in alkene, the member is starting from second carbon in which have the formula C2H2 into 2, that is 2 2 ja 4. It is C2H4 and its name is ethene and also called ethylene. Similarly, when value of C is equals to 3 means N is equals to 3, we have the formula C3H6 and its name is propene. If C is 4 means N is equals to 4, we have the formula C4H8, its name is butene. It means in alkene group, we can naming the alkene by using its suffix and prefix. For 2 carbon atom, we use the prefix it. For 3 carbon atom, prop. For 4, but. For 5, pent. For 6, we use the prefix hex. And for 7 carbon atom, we use the prefix hept. For 8 carbon atom, oct. For 9, non. And for 10, dec. And we use the suffix, means end word, that is ene for alkene. And in case of alkane, we will use ane. So when we add these two, eth plus ene, means if it contains 2 carbon atoms and there is double bond present in between 2 carbon atoms, then their name is ethene, that is ethene. Propene, propene, butene. Now we will discuss the structure of ethene, how it is formed. Ethene formula is C2H4. Students, one thing is noted here. In alkenes, the number of hydrogen atoms is just double of number of carbon atoms. Here carbon atom is 3 and hydrogen atom is 6. It's double. So the structure of ethene is C2H4. In this case, 4 hydrogen atoms are present around 2 carbon atoms. 4 hydrogen atoms are present around 2 carbon atoms. Valency of carbon is 4. This carbon shared their 1 electron with this hydrogen because valency of hydrogen is 1. So carbon and hydrogen share its 1 electron. Similarly, this hydrogen and carbon also share its 1 electron. Left 2 electrons of these 2 carbons are shared with each other. These 2 carbon atoms shared their 2 electrons and completing their octet. How it completed? This carbon atom completed its octet by using the shared electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This carbon also complete their octet by using shared electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hydrogen atoms use the shared electron with carbon and complete its 2 electrons and behave as inert gas helium. By this way, we have the structure of ethene. 2 carbon atoms share their 2 pairs of electrons, therefore they form double bond between 2 carbon atoms. and carbon and hydrogen shared its one electron, so they form single covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen. And by this way we have the structure of ethene is like this. For alkynes we have the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Alkynes are those in which two carbon atoms link together by triple covalent bond. When we put the n is equals to 1, means if it contains one carbon atom, we have the formula C1H2 into 1 minus 2, that is 0. So it is not possible. Therefore, in case of alkyne, the first member of alkyne is C2H2. Its name is ethyne or acetylene. And when we put n is equals to 2, we have the formula C2H2. In case of 3, n is equals to 3 means 3 carbon atoms. Then we get the formula C3H4. Its name is propyne. And if n is equals to 4, we have the formula C4H6. Its name is butane. It means in case of alkyne, we always use the suffix "-ine" and we use the prefix that is eth, prop, but, pent, hex. These are. Now structure of ethyne or acetylene. In case of acetylene, there are 2 hydrogen atoms are present in 2 carbon atoms. So 2 carbon atoms shared its 1 electron with hydrogen atom and they have left 3 electrons. So they shared 3 electrons with each other, and 2 carbon atoms are shared their 3 electron pairs, so they form 3 covalent bond between 2 carbon atoms, and by sharing 1 pair of electron with hydrogen to form 1 covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen. And by this way the structure of ethyne or acetylene is this one. Next is alkyl group. Alkyl group is a group which is formed by the removal of 1 hydrogen atom from alkane. For example, first member of alkane is methane. Its structure is CH4. When we remove this 1 hydrogen, we have CH3 group, and this group is called methyl group. Similarly, from propane, formula is C3H8. When we remove 1 hydrogen from propane, we get propyl group. The general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. Students, if a hydrocarbon is given, how we can identify whether it is alkane, alkene or alkyne? By using golden rule. In this rule, if the number of hydrogen atoms is 2 more than the double of number of carbon atoms, then the given hydrocarbon will be alkane. Because the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Second thing is given, if the number of hydrogen atom is exactly double of number of carbon atom, then given hydrocarbon will be alkene because its formula is CnH2n. And in this rule, third point is given, if the number of hydrogen atom is 2 less than the number of double of carbon atoms, then given hydrocarbon will be alkyne because its general formula is CnH2n minus 2, and this rule is called golden rule. By using this, we can identify these alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Thank you.